Unraveling Promptly, a simple guide to a powerful word. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very useful and common English word, promptly. This word pops up in various contexts, and understanding its nuances can really polish your English skills. So, let's get started and explore the depths of promptly together. Promptly is an adverb, and it's primarily used to describe an action that is done quickly and without delay. It often carries a sense of urgency or efficiency. For example, if someone says, "Please respond promptly," they are asking for a quick response. Examples in sentences. 1. She arrived promptly at 9 a.m. 2. The doctor promptly attended to the patient. In these examples, promptly indicates that the actions were done soon after being required or expected. In instructions, finish your work promptly. Please submit your application promptly. Here, promptly adds a sense of importance to completing the task soon. In formal settings, the meeting will start promptly at 10 a.m. Guests are requested to arrive promptly. In formal scenarios, promptly often relates to punctuality and respect for others' time. In casual conversations, "I'll call you back promptly." He promptly agreed to help. Even in informal settings, promptly keeps its core meaning of acting without delay. In business and professional communications, we aim to address customer complaints promptly. Your feedback has been promptly processed. In professional contexts, promptly conveys efficiency and a strong work ethic. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can expand your ability to use promptly in different contexts. Synonyms: quickly, immediately, instantly. Antonyms: slowly, eventually, later. Thank you for joining us in exploring the word promptly. We hope this video helps you use the word more confidently in your daily English. Remember, adding words like promptly to your vocabulary can make your English sound more natural and fluent. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.